Welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I'm gonna review a brand I don't even know. Trends Hobby. I've never heard about this brand, but apparently they're pretty good. And this is the Hong Kong Toycar Salon 2025 edition. Limited to 1,500 pieces only. I emphasize the word only because they were emphasizing, Trends Hobby were emphasizing that this was a limited edition model, and they are reselling for almost triple the price. Regularly, this cost around 15 US dollars. Now they go for around 40, around 35 to 40 US dollars, which is absolutely crazy. I've seen the photos. It's basically this. I mean, let's just get into it. First, I just want to talk quickly about this. So there's the little Trends Hobby hologram, but the Porsche hologram, and quite interesting on the licensing. Instead of just having the Porsche licensing, they've put the whole bunch. So the Porsche crest, the Porsche Pro logo type, Panamera. So do we expect we expect a Panamera from Trends Hobby, a Carrera. I don't know why they just didn't write 911 or 992, but a Cayenne, a 918 Spider, a Macan, a Taycan, a 911 Turbo. So I don't know if it's the Turbo S or just a 911 Turbo. GT1 and GT3, they are trademarks of Porsche AG used under license. So quite interesting. So we have a little preview of what's to come. Well, let's just get unboxing. So we just have two little pieces of tapes, just like a Kaido house, and it slides open. I mean, most brands are doing this right now. It gives that premium feel that you have, that you don't have on certain cards. Oh, this is pretty interesting. As you can see, take it off like that, and there's the card. So they put the car like this. How do I pull it up? Well, if I take the back end, no, it stays on. Great. I will just take the back end, put this right back. There you go. Wow, this texture feels really good. Let's just put the box back, and here is the model. Very nice rims. Wow, it rolls really well, and it has brake disc and red calipers, so pretty nice. So the main features of this car being the removable hood. How does it? Yeah, it comes off like that. It's magnetic, so you have those two magnets here that will come on these two magnets right here. There you go. Pretty easy. Engine wise, you can't see much, but you can see a lot of the suspension components right here. It's pretty neat. And yeah, let's just, there you go. Wow, that's pretty nice. You can see that copper look with that front little what you call it, intercooler. Is it really an intercooler? That cooling system that have holes here that will go into these pipes to cool either the brakes, I am not sure, the brakes, or not the tires, probably the brakes. Yeah, that's it, the brakes. I mean, let's just take a look. This green texture is supposed to be carbon, I believe. Yeah, and I believe this is also supposed to be a road car. The mirrors are rubber, so I mean, I wouldn't worry too much about breaking them. It's fine. The rear end looks pretty nice. Let's see if it comes up. I believe, yeah, it comes off with the tail lights. So here you go. Here are the tail lights. So it's the 996 generation. It's LM, so it has that long tail design here. The sponsor. What is the sponsor? Waffenair? What is that? I have no, Warsteiner. I mean, it's written Warsteiner here. Yeah, it looks really good. Stance wise, it's pretty nice. Not much on the base. Pretty regular base with two screws on the lateral side, which is not very usual. Usually you have the 2 screws at the back and at the front, or sometimes 2 that are here, but in the middle 2, that's weird. Yeah, that's really weird. Not very common to see that. Oh, unfortunately mine has a little defect. Just noticed this. Wow, that's unfortunate. Let me take a look myself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what a shame. What a shame. Yeah. I mean, it's a shame because it's quite noticeable. It seems like I've dropped it, although I haven't. I've just unboxed it. And you can see the stance wise, it's pretty low to the ground, as a GT1 car should be. Let's see how it rolls. Decent. I mean, nothing incredible, nothing. Yeah, it has the correct stance, and I love to display my LM cars like that. Does it not stay? Yeah, it does stay. Okay, it does stay like that. The back end, too heavy at the front. Yeah, it will just stay like that. This looks cool. This looks very cool. So yeah, Trent's Hobby, pretty darn good. For $15, it's totally worth it. Go get it. 35, absolutely not. Because I do not like these tires. These tires feel very plastic. They're super shiny. So they look waxed almost. But yeah, pretty good model. Better than Pop Race. Honestly, better than Pop Race. The CLK DTM was pretty good from Pop Race, but this is just a level above with the calipers and the brake discs. More detail at the front. The Pop Race AMG GTR did not have that much detail at the front. It has more here. So overall, better. And these little magnet pieces are less noticeable, while the Pop Race ones are massive and they're quite noticeable. Wow. But yeah, pretty good. They match. They hop on perfectly. Yeah, pretty good. Honestly, very good. Look forward to getting more Trent's Hobby cars. Not a toy car event though, because $35 is absolutely bonkers. Do not buy it for 35. Yeah, it's crazy. 35 is way too much money. But yeah, it does look really good. Look at these exhausts. Wow. Yeah, it looks nice. It's really decent. Genuinely, it's really decent. I've never known about this brand before. It looks like a very strong contender for Pop Race, because 1, they have the license, 2, they have the opening parts, and they have models that are very hype. They have a Group 3 Huracan that's gonna come out. They have the Taycans and the Cayennes and all that the other brands don't have. So keep an eye out for Trent's Hobby. I think this might be one of the next big brands. Honestly, from what I've seen, it's pretty good. Some little mistakes here. For example, that the little defect here. Maybe QC isn't that good, and the parts are a little wobbly. Sure, they're very firmly fit, but they're very wobbly. So maybe one more magnet would have been good. At the front as well, look at that. They're very firm, they stay on very well, but they shake around a lot, which is not ideal. But hey, it's pretty good. No defect on the wings. Normally, when I look at cars like that, sometimes the wing is a little on the left, a little on the right, a little not centered, but here's perfect. So no critiques on that. Other than it's too expensive on the resale market, but if you find it retail, amazing deal. So Trent's Hobby, pretty good. Not recommending to get this one at 35, but if you get it at $20 US dollars, for example, $25 US dollars, I'm pushing it a bit, but it's pretty good. Generally, it's pretty good. Or if you just love this car in general, it's pretty good. I'd just wait on a a regular colorway because this is not it for me. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. A pretty good model, Trends Hobby. I'll be on the lookout. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.